So being faced with the diagnosis of cancer is extremely devastating for the entire family and of course the child themselves. So the most important things would be once the child is diagnosed with cancer, your doctor would tell you that you need to follow a specific protocol or follow specific timings in administration of the treatment. Now this has to be adhered to perfectly because the success of the treatment depends upon how at what time points we are able to deliver the treatment. That is one thing. And the second thing is preventing infections is very, very important because these children, most of the cancers are treated with something called chemotherapy, which are drugs which kill the cancerous cells, but unfortunately they are not specific as yet and they tend to kill or destroy the other normal cells as well. Because of this, the immunity of the child comes down and he is more susceptible to even common infections like a common cold can become quite severe and serious for the child. So it is very important to wash your hands before food, after going to the toilet, even making sure that the child washes their hands and maintains strict hygiene. It is important, secondly, to protect them from the side effects of chemotherapy. So, for example, the most common side effect would be an oral ulcer or a mucositis, as we call it. That can be prevented by making sure that a good oral hygiene is maintained, brushing the child's teeth at least 2 to 3 times a day with a soft bristle brush, gargling their mouth with special antiseptic mouthwashes, and making sure that people who are visibly infected or visibly coughing or sneezing, or children who have got chickenpox, for example, they don't come in contact with the child. But I think the most important thing while taking care of a child with cancer is to boost the child's morale, because this is a child, maybe a 6 or a 7-year-old child, an innocent child who was going to school till about 2 to 3 days ago and now cannot go to school for a small period of time because the treatment is that intense, and that's going to take a toll on them psychologically as well. So it's very important to make sure to as much as possible normalize their lives and not treat them differently or specially, because children really don't like that.